Welcome to the math classroom. We're looking at properties of definite integral today. So our first example is, if I have the integral from a to b of the function f of x dx, we are saying it is equal to minus b to a of x dx. Okay, so what do you see? You realize that there has been a change in what? The interval. Initially, we were looking at from a to b, and because there's derivatives, we are taking the negative of that. Example is, if I have the integral from 1 to 2 of s cubed plus 1 dx, then to reverse the interval, this is going to be negative of 2 from 2 to 1 of what? S cubed plus 1 dx. 2. If a is equal to b, then it implies that our change in x is going to be what? 0. Then what it means is, if I have a function from a to b to b of f of x, then it's going to be 0. Why do I so? Because in x is equal to 0, if you multiply by all other variables, it goes to 0. So if I have a function, example, if I have a function from 1 to 1 of cos squared x dx, because the intervals are equal, it means that this is equal to what? 0. That's property what? 2. Then 3. 3 says that if your function f of x is even, what I mean, that is, I have fx to be equal to f of minus x. I hope we haven't forgotten our even function. Then f, so if I take function f minus a to a of x is going to be, well, because it's an even function, means I have 2 from what? 0 to a of f of x dx. Let's take an example here. Let's say we are finding the integral from negative 2 to 2 of x to the power 5 dx. This is going to be equal to of what? From what? 0 to 2 of x to the power 5 dx. So this is the third property we are looking at. Then the fourth property is what? If it's odd. So if so for property 4, if f of x is odd, let's say it's odd, we know the definition for that. That is, f of x is going to be minus f of x. Then if I have the integral minus a to a of f of x dx, then we are saying it is equal to what? 0. So you can make an example to show and give your comments in the comment section. So 5 says, let's take an integral a to b c of what? F of x dx. This c we are saying is a constant, and if it's a constant, then it means that you can bring your c out so that I have c, the function, the integral a to b f of x dx. So c we are saying is what? A constant. So example, if I have the integral from 2 to 3 of x cubed dx, I can write as 3 integral to 3 cubed dx. Then property 5, so this is 5, so let's start 6. If I have the integral a to b of f of x plus or minus g of x, let's say all this dx, we are saying you can write using the sum rule. I can write this as the integral from a to b f of x dx, so minus the integral a to b dx dx. The main properties you can look at under integration, and these are just a few of them. So let's look at what we call the fundamental theorem of calculus. Kindly keep safe till then.